What's going on, you guys? It is your boy Josh here, back with another video. And if you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. Today I have a dope tutorial for you guys, and for my people that's been here, it's some new visuals. Let me know what you guys think about it. But before we hop into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to my new business venture I've been telling you guys about, my JoshXBarber Academy. I just released my new course, Social Media Barber Blueprint, which will be releasing tomorrow, Friday, December the 2nd. I did a big pre-order on it on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a pre-order on it for the first 30 people to buy the course. They will be entered into a giveaway to win some free clippers. So go check that out on my Instagram. My goal in this course was to help barbers or up-and-coming barbers learn how to use social media to help grow their platform, to grow their business, and overall build a brand online. Right now I have about 15 more spots open, so you have until tonight to go claim your spot to enter a chance to win some free clippers. But like I said, tomorrow, Friday, December the 2nd, is going to be the official release date. So if you guys want to check that out, I got the link in the bio. Let's get right into this video. What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Josh. Y'all see I'm back with another tutorial. I know it's been a minute, but I linked up with one of my clients. He's a videographer, and we put together a dope video for y'all. So let me know what y'all think about the visuals on this tutorial. Let's hop right to it. So I just got done shampooing my client. Right now I'm combing out his hair and I'm drying it with the blow dryer so we can get ready to cut it. It's gonna be a dope cut. I'm giving him like a hot taper. Let's get right to it. So my client wanted a number 2 on top with the grain. I did the number 2, it didn't really cut much, so I grabbed my 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open. I suggested that and it cut it down to a perfect height. So we're gonna be doing this with the grain all the way around the head. And just to let y'all know that 1.5 open isn't too far off from a 2. I just did that because I knew that it would work without cutting too much, and it would keep it around the height that he wanted on the top. So like I said, we're going to be giving him a hot taper. Right here I have my gold Babyliss trimmers, and I'm setting in my bald line. And we're not going to be keeping a C cup because it's a hot taper, so I'm going to make that line all the way across his temple area. Next, I'm going to come in with my Babyliss clippers with the lever all the way open and going up about a 1/2 inch. And then we're going to close the lever halfway, and then we're going to be knocking at the bottom of that line, flicking up, and we're going to be closing the lever as I do that. So I'm going to grab my number 1 guard, and we're going to go in and create our next guideline with the lever all the way closed and go up about a 1/2 inch, and then come back with that half guard and go right up under that guideline and flick up to the guideline, starting with the lever 1 notch from open and then closing it all the way to blend it out. So for the rest of the taper, we're going to be fading down. Right here I have my number 2 guard on with the lever all the way open. Then I'm going to drop it down to all the way closed, and you're going to see the hair gradually fade. And then after this, we're going to come in with our 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, going with the grain just to smooth out that area. Then we're going to come back with the lever all the way open, and then we're going to close it gradually. And then I'm going to come back with my 1 guard. Ending off the taper with the number 1 guard all the way open. We're just going to do a lot of detail work, opening and closing the lever to blend this fade all the way together. Then we're going to move on to the neck taper. Just like we did the side taper, we're starting with our bald line, and we're going to be using the same trimmers, and we want to make sure that we get all the hair under the line all the way gone so we can have a clean taper. To create our next guideline, we're going to go in with my Babyliss clippers with the lever all the way open, and we're going to go up about 1/2 inch, and we're going to stay parallel and keep the exact same shape as we did the first guideline to keep the fade fluent all the way up. Next, to fade the guideline out, we're going to close the lever halfway and close all the way until it's blended. So right here you guys see I have my number 1 guard on with the lever all the way closed. I'm going to go up about another 1/2 inch to create our next guideline, and after this we're going to fade down for the rest. But you see I have to do a lot of detail work. His hair grows in different directions, so I have to kind of finesse it to make it look good. So just like how we did on the side taper, I'm going to be fading down for the rest of the neck taper. I'm going to start with my number 2 guard open, and then I'm going to come in with my 1.5 guard open, and then I'm going to come in with my number 1 guard open. Every time I fade down, I start with the guard open, and then I close the guard, and then I go into the next guard, and that's how I get my fades to look good when I'm down fading. So now that we're done with the neck and side tapers, I'm going to be applying some wrapping foam to his hair. This is going to help with the waves, and it's going to help with the hairline. I do this on most of my wavers because once I get the hair to lay down and I brush it in, it's going to lock in the hair and it's going to make it all lay down together. This is a new service that I do, and it comes out dope every time. After this, we're going to be applying the do-rag on top. This is going to help lay down the hair, and then we're going to be applying some heat to it, and once we take it off, it's going to be smooth. I can't wait till you guys see it. I do the heat for about 30 to 45 seconds. I have it on high heat. This right here just locks it in and gets the hair to lay down real smooth. And once I take it off, it's gonna be looking right. So while I'm doing that part of the service, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my trimmers, and we're gonna clean his face up while I have the do-rag on, just to get that out the way. So when I come back and take the do-rag off, all we have to do is align up and apply the enhancements. Right here, I'm just gonna be giving him a clean shave on the face, leaving his chin hair. I'm gonna be lining up his mustache and have it looking real nice. Can't wait for y'all to see the end result of this cut. It came out smooth. If y'all need to, y'all can go back and see what it looked like before I applied the foam and wrap. But if you guys can tell, look at how his waves are laid down really good. It's like no stray hairs really sticking up, and this is what I really like about it. And let's go right into the hairline. Y'all can see real good from this angle how the hair is laid down, and it lays down the hair all the way to the front of his hairline, which makes it easier for me to do the hairline and get it extra crispy. Hey y'all, and no lie, lately I've been really using those new Snap FX Babyliss clippers. I think both of them have that new boosted motor in them, so they're a little bit stronger. I really like them a lot, and they help me a lot when I travel too. So if y'all want to cop some new clippers, y'all make sure y'all go cop them new Babyliss Snap FX trimmers and clippers. Y'all won't regret it. It's something new. I remember I used to didn't really like Babyliss, but ever since they changed up some of the blades and they put like a new motor in them, they kind of been getting my attention. I've been rocking with them for about like a month and a half now. They're real dope, man. Check out this hairline though, man. It's bringing this haircut to life. Can't wait for y'all to see the end result. Let's get it. And y'all already know, man, I had to get those neckline visuals for y'all. This joint gonna come out crispy. Both sides look crazy, man. So satisfying to watch. Let me know in the comments. So right now we're going to be applying some enhancements to his hairline. I typically use the hair fibers. They're kind of my favorite. Y'all see that lining already crisp, but you know the enhancement is just going to take it to another level per client request. And I don't use a card when I apply my enhancements. I just do it like freehand because it kind of helps me get like that blurriness. Using the enhancements, it doesn't make it look like I'm targeting like one area. If you use a card, I feel like it puts a lot of pressure on that space in between the card and the head. So I just do it without it, and I just clean it up as I go. As y'all can see, man, that taper looking clean, hairline looking clean, man. We almost done. We almost at the finish line, y'all. But let me know what y'all think about this haircut so far. I can't wait till y'all to see the finished result. So once I'm done applying the enhancements, I apply my holding spray, and then I come back with my blow dryer just to lock it all in. Make sure it don't go nowhere, y'all. This joint came out dope. We almost done. I'm about to go over the line one more time with my trimmers. I like to do this after I apply my enhancements to get any hairs at the edge that's kind of sticking out, or you know, I just really like the line super clean with no stray hairs, y'all. Hey y'all, this is the cut. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. We got his waves laid down smooth. We got that fade tight. We got that lining tight. Man, this junk came out dope. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. And if y'all new, make sure y'all go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. I'm gonna let my guy check it out. He approved. And let me know if y'all approve in the comments, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at JoshXBarber. I'll see y'all later.